Generative AI may look like magic, but here's the truth. It doesn't create anything on its own. It relies entirely on data provided by humans. AI learns by analyzing patterns in text, images, and other information we feed it. When you use AI, it's essentially remixing information and predicting what you want based on what it's seen before. This makes it incredible at recognizing patterns, recalling information, brainstorming ideas, and automating repetitive tasks. Its strength is in giving human like results very quickly. But here's the flip side: AI doesn't truly understand what it creates. If the data it's trained on contains biases or errors, those problems can show up in its responses. It's not moral or accountable, and it can make up inaccurate hallucinations. AI isn't original. It's only as good as the data behind it. So remember this: AI isn't a creator, it's a responder. It's a powerful tool, but the real creativity and understanding, that's still all you.